explain to you something about the squealing noise. That squealing noise, you start the car, no problem. You wait for at least 15-20 minutes. When it warm up, you will start to hear a squealing noise from the bottom. You lift up the car, you take it to a shop, a mechanic shop, it will squeal like a belt. I should give you the sound, how it sounds, but it is a squealing noise. What's happened? Because of the PCV valve, it's open. All the engine would come up to the suction from the crankshaft seal. If you want to find your car, if they have the same problem, it's easy. What you do when it starts to squeal, take the oil cap off or shut it off. Take the oil cap off, start the engine. It's going to run a little bit rough, and you'll see if the squeal go away by taking the oil cap off, then you are your PCV valve. If you put your oil cap on and the squeal and never come back or come back or something, that's mean you have, but it is, if you take the oil cap off and the squeal go away, that's mean your PCV valve is gone. We have a problem, a noise from the engine. It's like a belt squealing, and it is a problem. You think sometime maybe a bearing, maybe something wrong with the transmission or something like that, but the problem is with the PCV valve. What's happened? It have so much suction on the engine from the crankshaft seal. It sucked the air and make a very bad noise from the bottom. So it's a squealing noise, and it is a PCV valve, to let you know. It's an R8. Okay, this is the PCV valve located right here between the two intake. Okay, this is that's the PCV. It holds with the 3 screws. This is let me give you the part number. See? Here. It came like a belt squeal or something like that. You never ever in your mind you think that is the PCV valve. You go crazy because it sounds like a squealing belt. Quick, 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 quick. Squeal. And it is the PCV valve. What's happened? This valve that have to close, and what's happened is open, and the only place that the engine can breathe is from the crankshaft seal. Normally, when this comes, you cannot even open that. I took the PCV valve out. This is the diagram from here. This is the cover. You used to pull it out, it'll come out. And look what it was. You see this? This is the diaphragm. Look, diaphragm is cut. You cannot imagine this what can do. You see this? This will cause the idle go up and down. This will cause make a squealing noise in the engine. You think it's the transmission. You have to take transmission out. And all of this is the problem. The engine will run in rough sometime. The car will never idle good and make a squeal noise like a belt, like this. You think that's the bearings somewhere in the transmission, because what's happened when this is not stop working, the suction of air has come directly from the pump and doesn't circulate good. So what's happened? It have to take air from somewhere. It'll suck it from the crankshaft seal, and this is what's caused. You know, this is what it is. This is here like a $90 from Amazon. You can buy it too. You guys subscribe, give me thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy my video and it can be helpful to you guys.